On this video, I will recreate the color and style, the Emma.
Roll the tape!
To bleach the hair, I will use a Studio 9 at 20 volumes for 30 minutes. I will section the hair with a side part, and then I will separate the bangs like you see here. Using the French technique, I will cut a diagonal back, following a line from the mouth to the middle of the neck. I love the French method because it's like cutting a piece of fabric. It's all at once. For the bangs, I will use point cutting, about 2/3 down from the length of the nose. Connect the bangs with the sides using a razor on a slide down motion. Repeat this on both sides. Using the same freeform technique with the razor, continue a diagonal back angle connecting the sides with the length. Section the hair on the top of the ears so you can cut the perimeter on the nape. Also separate the segment to create the long tail that Emma has on the back. I will cut the desired length of the perimeter using a concave shape and the point cutting technique. Follow me on Instagram so you can see all the looks that I have recreated already, and which one I'm planning to do next. To recreate the back area, I'll be cutting a graduation using the condensed cutting technique with the twin combs. Check out the angle I'm using to create these layers on the back. If you like, you can compare it with the picture on the iPad. Continue using the same angle on the two other panels on the back of the octagon. Let go of the section of the long tail and separate it from the rest so you don't end up cutting it. Emma look has some short layers with activation on the top. To achieve this, I will cut incremental layers to connect the desired length on the layers, in this case about 5 fingers width, to the longest length on the graduation at the waistline. Don't miss my next week video, Tracking from Tokyo Revengers. To execute Emma's color, I would use Satire from Paul Pryor in the roots and some design areas, and Nuclear from the middles to the ends. If you don't have access to these colors, use a deep yellow and an orange with red tones. First, I will apply the yellow on all the roots and some of the ends of the front area. After this, color the middles and ends with the orange. Make sure you blend both colors so you get a smooth transition. I will grab a portion of hair previously cut and I will color it with the orange color to create the long tail on the back. Check how I do this on the iPad. To dry the hair, I would use Glide from 1821. It's ideal to soften and hydrate the hair after color. I would use a middle-sized round brush to give the ends that flip. Check out the effect of the color on dry. Looks amazing and is so easy to do. Take your time to tailor and detail the bang area, using the razor or the scissors. Thank you to all of you for all the support that you give me on the channel. I really appreciate it. Let's see if we can get to 25,000 by the end of the year. For the total look, create a white braid on the side and use 2 bobby pins to hold it at the end. Open up the strands of the braid so it looks super white. To add the long tail on the back, I will backcomb the roots to create a strong base, and I will anchor the tail with 2 bobby pins. Take your time to create definition, direction, and separation on the layers with 1821 hairspray. For the 2 fan and pokey tails on the top of the head, backcomb the roots and shape it and hold it with the hairspray. If your hair is straight, use a Marcel iron with a white barrel to give the shape. Hope you like this style. If you like more female characters, let me know in the commentaries.
This is Angel del Solar, the Hairbender.